Well, hello, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs, and I'm going to do some beach shot glasses today. I got this mold. I know you've probably seen it at a couple of different stores. I'll put a link to it down below. The first layer is only going to go about to here, so it's not going to take much resin. I'm back to do the sand layer. Now I'm going to do this set one way and this set another way. What I'm going to do over here is I'm going to fill it almost to the top with resin, and then I'm going to put sand in it. And over here, I'm going to do sand and then pour some resin onto it, because I always have problems with bubbles forming with the sand. So I want to see, I'm sorry, I'm picking off the little bits that are on the edge. So I want to see which one. Okay, so this is resin first, and this is sand. Well, I'm back. They set up. Now comes the big reveal, and I have no idea how they're going to look. Now remember, this was the layer where I put resin and sand in there together, and then I topped it off a little bit with some clear resin. This was the one where I put the sand in, then poured the resin on top of it. So this one was resin first, then sand. This one was wait a minute. Yeah, resin first, then sand, sand first, then resin. And I had to top one off over here too. That was a little low. So I have no idea what these little guys are going to look like, so we're going to find out together. Oh. Well, I'm going to say that I'm pretty impressed with it. Of course, I got the big blobs, but that's because it sank. So I'm going to have to sand these edges a little bit, but that's okay because these are going to get clear coated for another in another video. This one has, okay, this one was the resin first and then the sand. So the sand sunk. Not a big deal. I want to try to figure out how I can do shells in there too, but I haven't found any small enough. Okay, this one is the other one. You basically want to pull it out, and then you kind of want to put your finger in there to loosen up this center piece. There we go. Okay, I got a couple of little bubbles on the side. So next time I do them, I'm going to have to put a little bit less clear, I think, or a little bit less white. So there we go. Let me keep them in order so I remember which one's which. My biggest problem before was getting air bubbles around the side. Now I'm going to tell you something. This right here is when I was dropping the white in, it's little specks of white that got on the side. That's why it's real important when you're pouring your white in to be very, very careful where you get it at. Because I don't know if you can see it in there. Yeah, you can. See, I got a little bit of white inside of it too. Okay, let me demold the rest of them. And I will fast forward through this part. This one was out of the one where I had put the sand in first, and you can see, I think, yeah, you can see where some resin didn't get at. So I'm going to say that the best way to do these is to put the resin in first, and then put the sand in it. And you can always add a little bit more resin if it doesn't fill it up to the top. But I'm going to say I am very, very happy with the way they turned out.